We present our module, Feedback and Inquiry Management System. In this video, we will show you how to use this module for both internal and external users. From the corporate user's perspective, it is necessary to configure the module in a file that collects all interventions or submissions from external users. External users can access the portal via a browser, either through a corporate or governmental website or as an independent web page. There are two ways to submit a complaint or claim: anonymously or with identifiable information. We will begin by demonstrating how to submit a report anonymously. To do this, we will activate the option that allows anonymous reports. Once activated, the corresponding interface will appear. On the left side, you will find a drop-down menu where you can select the type of process, such as claims, complaints, requests, reports, or suggestions. For our example, we will choose a suggestion. On the right side, there is a text box where you can detail your situation. For this video, we will write test. If you have any documents related to the case, you can attach them by clicking the Upload button, which will open the File Explorer to select the documents. To complete the process, simply click on Submit Form Anonymously. After sending, a case number will be displayed on the screen. It is crucial to save this number, as it will be needed to check the status of the report and follow up. To check the ticket status, go to the main page and click on Procedure Status Inquiry. Enter your ticket number in the appropriate field and press to inquire. The bottom part of the screen will update to display the status and a summary of your request. If you want to submit a ticket with your details, fill in the required fields from the main page: type of process, type of document, identification number, first and last names, email address, and email verification. We will use fictitious data as an example. Click on Register Applicant and follow the instructions that appear on the next screen. Then, check your inbox for an email containing a verification code, copy it, paste it into the Enter the Code field, and press Submit. This will lead you to a new window where you can draft your report or create a complaint, claim, request, report, or suggestion. Once again, we will write test as an example for the video. If necessary, attach files and click Submit. The same confirmation screen as with the anonymous ticket will appear. However, in this case, the ticket number will also be sent to your email, so there is no need to write it down manually. To track your ticket, copy the received ticket number, return to the main page, and select Check Process Status. Paste the number and click to inquire. The process is the same as for the anonymous ticket. The administrator accesses the predetermined folder and organizes the records by modification date, ensuring that the most recent entries appear first. Records are identified by the type of submission, and if they are anonymous, the label Anonymous will be displayed. If they come from a registered user, the user's email will be shown. Within the record, it is possible to review attachments and metadata, which detail the ticket subject. For anonymous tickets, only the ticket number, type of process, subject, status, and summary will be visible. While managing a ticket, the status can be updated from Submitted to In Progress, Completed, or Cancelled using the drop-down menu. A brief description in the summary field can indicate the current progress, such as, the request is under review. Click on Update to save the changes. The module allows task assignments, workflow configuration, and report generation. It is also customizable, and its statuses can be adjusted to meet the organization's information needs. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.